The event itself it's massive. You don't really appreciate how big it is until you do arrive at the venue. The scale of the buildings and the size of the track.
It's good to have engineering students to actually get out of their office and design, build and test something and make it run. My name is Robert Camilleri. I'm team manager for Team EPG. Part of my role is try to set the agenda, to see what we want to achieve and try to push forward to get that done. We have been described more of a cooperative rather than a hierarchical structure. And as a team from a prestigious university, we'd like to try to map out what sort of innovations are being put into things like this and to see how such innovations will actually diffuse into real vehicles in the near future.
Hi, my name's Nathan. My position on Team PEGI is motor control and drive expert, managing the Maxon motor and integration with all the other circuits. We've done some back-to-back testing of two different types of motors, so we're trying to determine which is the most efficient. Then we're programming that to take signals from the throttle and control the clutch.
Hi, my name's Pete Armstrong. I'm 27 and I'm the technical manager on EPG's Team PEGI entry for this year's Shell Eco Marathon. We got around 360 kilometres per kilowatt hour, which is about equivalent to going from Oxford to Athens on 10 pints of petrol. We're hoping to improve on that by around 10 to 20%. Technical manager is looking at the system integration issues that arise as you're trying to load the vehicle with all the technologies of reconfigurable PV, phase control of the clutches and the driver application. So we've been developing all of this from the inception all the way through to manufacture and testing. This year PV is on board the vehicle. The PV guys were thrilled with the energy that was harvested. We still got about 10% of our propulsion coming off the PV, which is really impressive.
I'm Lucy Mahoney, I'm 29 and I'm the driver for EPG's EcoCar PEGI. Looking forward to kind of getting a valid attempt. We need to do 10 laps within 40 minutes, averaging about 25 kilometres an hour. Some teams have incredible sponsorship and they're able to make these incredible cars that are just, efficient in themselves. But PEGI was donated to us, so everything that we've added is our own innovation and technology and things like that. So the boys really need to be commended for that. We've kind of introduced new strategies to try and improve our efficiency on last year. So I'm accelerating, and then when I'm approaching a corner, I'm regenning to bring braking energy back into the motor. On average, we need to be 25 kilometers per hour. That means hitting 30, and then at corners when you brake, it reduces the average. It's actually a very stressful experience. It's very warm in the car, it's very claustrophobic, you've got a very heavy safety belt which is right on your chest. So you're sucked in and strapped into the car, which is of course incredible for safety, but it's not really a very comfortable 40 minutes around the track.